What's up guys, Reese back with another video, and today I'm going to be doing a review on all the features of Houseboy. So let's get started. So as you can see right around here, you'll see the rainbow colored H, which is now an icon that you can, when you add it to home screen, it'll make it like that. Now, as that may seem easy and like, why wouldn't that be the first thing, it was actually very hard to do, since I did this all with code. With my code. Like, I made my own code using CSS3, so it's not that hard. Anyone can do it. I just find it easy. So that's what based this website. So we'll start off with settings. We'll review settings. It's the first tab. So what you can do in settings is you have loading problems, because sometimes it's stuck on loading problems. And you can read that. You have home screens. Now what this is instead of having this, you can change it to other things. That's still in beta. There's one that kind of works. It doesn't have all the icons. It's the lucky block, and it just has when you click on them. But that's that. Then you have other ones that I've been working on. You get the code, but that's an error page. You can visit my site. We'll let that load. And there you go. It's different on the computer, obviously. Let's go back to Houseboy. Okay, now we have the information. This is mainly for coding for Houseboy. So you have to get the 1,000 line activation code, which is not out yet, unfortunately, but these are some of the things you can do. So you can go all the way up to size 100 instead of stuck with H1 in HTML, which is about the size of size 6 on my code. Next you have colors. This is easier because all you have to do is type in the little angle thing and then the color you want, and then close it off, and then you type in your color. Instead of typing all the styles, tags, and font colors. It's a lot easier. You have boxes that you can make, borders, rainbow text as you already saw, spacing, dotted borders, shadows, mirror text, speech bubble, I don't know what that says, useless button, rotated text, blurred, underlined, overlined, and capital. I'm probably gonna have to break this up in two parts because it's hard to upload a bigger video. So then we move on to Houseboy. That takes us to the website, which we've already been to. Then we go to the house. I got it. I'm just gonna name it the App Store. This is not done yet. Trust me, it's not done. Nothing's loading. Just gonna go back and click on it again. I think it's gonna. Okay, as you can see, it's all messed up. That's okay because it's still like I said, this is still in beta. And yeah, so there's not an app here. When you click on more, eventually there will be apps. And what I'll do here is people can submit apps using code, and I'll put them on here. And then I'll give them a name and everything. You can give a description that I'll type. Websites, I'll ask website owners if I can put their website on here, and blogs. So that's what my app store consists of. Next you have edit, which you can edit the code, which is not the little internet world, is the next one. I'm not going to go on that because it's an error page, because I didn't finish it. Games is just a games folder with no games in it quite yet. And we move on to emulators. Emulators has EMU for iOS, iEmulators, an iPhone emulator, which I made, Windows 8 phone that I made, and Windows 8 computer that I made. Some sizing issues, once again, that I have to fix on that. Phone messaging updates is what updates I've made and are working on. Oops. I don't know what that is. What? Oh, this is weird. Oh yeah, I forgot. Okay. Then you can jailbreak your device, even though that's not what this is for. You have social media, which takes you to social media, obviously. X Custom is the one with the paint splatters. That's our website that me and Alec, I'm not going to give out any names, are working on. This is how I made the website. This is actually really interesting. You can read this. I'm not going to read it, but I will show you what it is. This is what kept me going, even though people told me that this wasn't possible, that I wasn't going to make a program. This is what I read, so I will read it. Here's for the crazy ones. The mischiefs, the rebels, the troublemakers, the round pegs and the square holes, the ones who see things differently. They're not fond of rules and have no respect for the status quo. You can quote them, disagree with them, glorify, vilify them. About the only thing you can't do is ignore them, because they change things. They push the human race forward. And while some may see them as the crazy ones, we see genius. Because the people who are crazy enough to think they can change the world are the ones who do. That video is great. It's called Here's to the Crazy Ones by Steve Jobs. And I listen to that just about every day. iMovies is 123 Movies, obviously. Kindle is Kindle Books. Calculator, photos, calendar, clock, Skype, Google Maps, notes, the phone guide. You can't see yet. And that's it, guys. And these are just apps that I supported. So I supported Google Drive, Google Chrome, and W3 because those are the main things that I use to help me make this website possible. So I hope you guys enjoy this. And like I said, I have an idea now for something else, which I'll give you guys information on. So thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe. You can find the link in the description below. If you don't, for some reason, want to click on that, it's houseboy.x10.mx. Bye.